Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make beautiful sublimated bookmarks. We will be using heavy glossy cardstock special for sublimation. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before I would like to thank you for coming to my channel and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so. It really lets me know that you value the kind of content that I'm giving you, and to be honest, it inspires me and keeps me going. I'm going to start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. I already have these bookmark templates ready to print, but I'm going to show you how to create one from zero. We're going to go to the shapes and we're going to insert a square. Go to the size bar above, unlock it, and we're going to change the measurements to 2 inches by 7. Now we're going to insert a circle. We're going to make it smaller and we're going to place it on top. I'm going to change the color so you see it. Now I'm going to select those layers and I'm going to go to align and align center horizontally. Then click on slice. Remove the layers that we do not need, and here is the blank template. We're going to place it on the side and I'm going to right click and duplicate it. Now here we're going to add background. There is 2 ways you can add background. I'm going to show you both. Go to operation, change it from cut to print and cut, then click on the color bar. Instead of color, select pattern. Scroll down until you find the pattern that you would like to use. To edit, click on edit pattern and you can make it smaller or bigger. When you finish, click to close the window, and here you can add the text that you wish. Just click on the T and start typing on the canvas and resize it. This font is called Adorable. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now I'm going to show you the other way to add background. For this one we are going to insert a picture. I'm going to go to upload. I already have the picture over here and I'm going to insert it to the canvas. This picture is from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link it in the video description below. I'm going to resize it and I'm going to place the bookmark template on top. I'm going to go to arrange and bring it to the top. Then I'm going to resize the image. Then select both layers. Right click and slice. I already sliced the part of the image that I want on the bookmark. Now I'm going to duplicate a template. I'm going to go to arrange and send it to the back, and I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to select both layers, go to align and align center horizontally, and align at the bottom too. Now here we're going to add text. I'm going to use the Adorable font. I'm going to select all of the layers when finished and I'm going to click on flatten. Every time we're going to do print and cut, we need to flatten the image. So the bookmark is ready to be printed. I'm going to select these layers and I'm going to flatten them too. That easy, you can design your own bookmark. Now I'm going to show you how to print and cut. First, we're going to cut the templates using the heavy cardstock. So I'm going to hide the templates with the design and I'm just going to leave the blank templates. My cardstock is very thin, so I have to cut 2 by 2. So I'm just going to cut 2 first and then the other 2. Make it. Continue. Here we're going to select all materials and we're going to look for poster board. Select it. On pressure, we're going to add more pressure and we're going to go ahead and go to the machine to cut it. This cardstock is special for sublimation. Lone Star Sublimation sent these ones to me to try, and I love them to make sublimated bookmarks. For this process, I like to use the Strong Grip Matte, the purple one. Now we're going to go ahead and fit it to the machine. I am using my Cricut Maker to cut this cardstock, but you can use any Cricut model. And here are the blank templates already cut. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to the machine to print the designs. But first we need to mirror the image. Select them, go to flip, and flip them horizontal. Now go to Make It, continue, send to printer, select the sublimation printer, click on the bleed and click on Use System dialog. Print, and here we're going to select Matte Photo Printing, and on Quality select the Best. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. I am using Hippo sublimation ink and BYD Live sublimation paper. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. Now I'm going to place the cardstock templates on top of the design, and I'm going to secure them with heat-resistant tape. For the next step, we're going to need a heat press. I'm going to be using my BYD Live heat press. I like to use this press for this process because I can adjust the pressure according to the material that I'm going to press. I'm going to press these bookmarks at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And they are ready. Let's see how they turn out. They are beautiful. I love the colors, vivid and bright. And I like the glossy part. I also like that these bookmarks are strong and heavy compared to the ones that we can make using printable cardstock. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make sublimated bookmarks using Cricut. If you like this video, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.